Now the way we did this crown molding is about the easiest way you can possibly imagine to install crown, because we use these little decorative corners. Then you're able to just cut the crown molding with regular square cuts. You don't have to do any kind of mitering on it. And that's real important when you get to the outside corners like we have here, because that's really difficult to for some homeowners to cut in around a corner. Here you can just cut it square and butt it right into these little pieces. Plus, like I say, kind of a decorative element to it. Actually, installing crown molding this way is so easy, I think even Tim can do it.
Ordinarily, installing crown molding involves making precise mitered or coat cuts in the corners and careful placement of each piece so these joints will line up properly with the next piece. But these corner blocks couldn't be easier. You just nail them in place and then make ordinary square cuts on pieces of crown to fill in between them. Plus, the job also goes a lot quicker this way, and that's almost always an issue when you're trying to sell a house.